Welcome back to Total Evelyn, and vlog 9 is the end of festival 2019. A lot of people will be glad that it's over because they'll be able to move in traffic. I personally will be quite sad it's over. I've had such a great time. I just want to thank everyone that I've met during the festival, the performers that I've interviewed and the people who have just made life really easy for me to do vlogs, because it can be quite difficult to vlog, you know. But really, I want to say a huge thanks to the assembly rooms in George Street, mainly Sam and Ben and all the people that was on the reception that were actually, and the performers who were actually running up to other performers and saying, you need to meet up with Total Evelyn, you need to get an interview. Hopefully next year, that's it kind of set, guys, now for me. And next year then, you know, feel free to get in touch with me before you even come to Edinburgh. I've had such a ball. It was all a free service, and it's just been of great value to the performers who have been sharing all the vlogs and everything like that. So take a look for the last time, guys, of Edinburgh. The big wheel, the monument, the Scots monument there. You know, the castle tonight is the fireworks, because it always goes off with a bang. It's always the end, and it's a firework display, which I'm really going to miss this year. Usually I'm lying on the grass with my friends, and we're drinking champagne, we're dipping the strawberries into the fresh cream. I'm going to miss all that tonight, but you do go and fill your boots, have so much fun, and I'll see you next year. Really looking forward to that. Listen, guys, that's the end of this vlog. See you next week for something completely different, like a fashion vlog or something in Edinburgh still. And don't forget to subscribe and like and share. If you're enjoying the videos, please give me a comment as well. Let me know how I'm doing. And take care. See you soon. Thank you so much. Take your pick, but remember and call me. I'll always be here for you. This is great. Fireworks, wine, radio. This is good. 2019 off with a bang. Hope you enjoy my firework display.